How to change country on Roblox. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. And now inside Roblox, tap on the More option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Settings. Inside Settings, you can see there is no built-in feature in Roblox to change your country or region. If you want to change your country or region on Roblox, then you will have to change it directly on your iPhone or Android. So in iOS, all you have to do is go to the iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the language and region. Now inside language and region, tap on the region option available there. Once you tap on the region, you'll be shown a list of available countries or region on your iPhone. Now choose a new country and follow the prompts to confirm. And you may need to update your payment method for the new region as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.